All right, we're starting our trek up to the summit of Rainbow Mountain. What's at the top, Lauren?
Hopefully a good view.
That's what we're hoping. See you later. Making a brief stop at Crater Lake on our way to the summit. All right, we're splitting off and we're going up the summit track. 2.5 Ks, uphill biking only it says, grade 4. I assume that means that bikes cannot come down it, otherwise they'll kill people. And here is the map, and there's the trail we'll be taking. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
To this,
To that.
Mount Gakakaramea.
Rainbow Mountain, it means in English, I'm guessing. 743 meters up. We got this. Here we are, partway through the hike, in a very nice shaded tree grove of sorts. If you listen closely, or not even closely, you can hear all the cicadas. What a noise. Partway up the mountain, stopping for a water break. Nice little viewpoint here. You can see all the red and yellow from the volcanic gases, and even some steam over there. Here we are at the summit. How is it?
Beautiful.
Our viewers are about to see for themselves. And that's the road we came up on.
We're on our way back down the mountain to our car. It only took us an hour to get to the top, or a little less than an hour, and it said it would take an hour and 45 minutes. So maybe we're like super badasses. Is that right, Jared?
No, I don't think so.
We stopped at this viewpoint on our way down. Kind of the first good view of the landscape here. The first time on our way up, there was a couple enjoying the scenery on this bench, and we didn't want to disturb them, so. What do you think, Jared?
Not as good as the top, but
Beautiful.
it's nice.
And we are done with our hike. Only took us like an hour and 45 minutes. And it had a beautiful view at the top.